This is 5 steps to successful geography revision, Natural Hazards Edition for the GCSE. For more useful videos and tips for revision for geography, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get started. Step 1. Start with a mind map. A mind map is a really good tool to find out what your strengths and your weaknesses are. You can use your revision guides to find out the headings for the topic. This will help you revise. Alternatively, there is a pre-made mind map on this video should you need to use it. Should you need help, there is also another video with pre-made questions which will help you create some answers for your mind map from memory. Remember, do not use your revision guide to copy the information. This is all about what you can remember. Once you have written all you can remember, it is time to realise what your strengths and your weaknesses are. The areas with more text will have your strengths, and the areas with less text, you will have weaknesses. We are going to focus on your weaknesses. Now, we are ready for step 2. Step 2. Cornell Notes. The Cornell Notes is a fantastic method in organising your work. This is where you're allowed to use your revision guide and use the information. To condense and format your notes, you will need to split your Cornell Notes template into different sections. The first bit you'll start off is the title. This is what you are going to focus on. Once you've got your title, the biggest section of the Cornell Notes will be the note-taking section. As you can see from the example, we're focusing on Nepal, the earthquake in 2015. Now the note-taking column is separated into 3 sections: the causes of the earthquake, the effects, and finally the responses. Now we have condensed notes, we can condense it further. We split this next section up into the key words from the causes, effects and responses. This will be found on the left hand side. The final section at the bottom of the page is the summary. This kind of sums up everything that we've learned from the topic of Nepal, and it is split into 2 bullet points max. Now we've completed section 2, it's time for section 3. Step 3. Self-quizzing and flashcards. There's a reason that the chasers in the ITV programme are so good. They know because they quiz and they practice and practice and practice. What you have to do is use the information from your Cornell Notes, and you are then going to create some quizzes with the questions on one side, the answers on the other. Alternatively, should you want to use a flashcard, you can do it, but make sure you split your flashcards into sections. Should you not want to create your own quizzes, on the Revising with Ravenscroft YouTube, there are plenty of natural hazards YouTube quizzes available for your own use. Step 4. Teach what you know to somebody. This could be a friend, this could be a parent, this could be a guardian, anybody that you can show your information to gain your confidence on the knowledge that you have just learned. If you can teach it to someone, that shows that you've retained that information. It's highly effective at moving to your long-term memory. Once you've taught it to someone, you're ready for step 5. Step 5 is the final step. Practicing exam questions. Here you are using what you have learnt and applying your knowledge to a question. Now, go to Google, type in AQA GCSE Geography. Click on Assessment Resources. scroll down to the left and you are looking for exam question papers. Here you can find all sorts of question papers where you can find different series for different years where they occur. Click on them, download them, and that will help you practice exam questions. Once you have done this, time yourself. Think 1 mark for every minute. That will help you with your time. Finally, thank you for watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe for more helpful videos and tips about GCSE geography.